To start off this ombre lip, we're going to use Bayou Barbie and we're going to line our lip. And you want to take your time and do this and just line the outer corners. You can fill it in a little bit depending on how much you want the purple to be a outlier of the lip. Try to do as neat as possible because this is a liquid lipstick. And wash those edges. Pro tip, please use a concealer and a like a lip brush to clean up the edges. So you do want to apply that first. We're going to do 2 layers. Next we're going to use, I don't know what we're going to call this color yet because this is not the right color that I ordered. So but we're just going to pop that in the middle for our ombre, and we're going to press our lips together to blend those colors together. Next, I'm going to take this e.l.f. brush and I'm going to pat those 2 colors together because I do want them to be blended seamlessly. I am going to go back in and touch up those colors because I applied it kind of sloppy. So next we're going back in with Bayou Barbie just to get a little bit more of that purple back into this lip and just reline and fill in that lip and press those colors together. Then we're going to go back in. We're just going to call this color Fruit Punch for right now. And we're going to put that back into the center of the lip. And we're going to take that brush and we're going to tap that back into place. And this also helps with setting this liquid matte lipstick. So you do want to set and blend those colors together and press your lips. And this is the finished look. Look at how pretty that is. It's giving you this beautiful ombre, almost like a sunset if I would have popped like an orange or something in it. But yeah, bye guys.